the arc over here as well. From the other point and this point we measure, and this point and this point we will do another arc here. Sorry, not here, here. Like this both the dots we have to join and we have to form a parallel line. If you do remember how we constructed. Yes or no? Parallel lines banavta sikhwadi.
Yes.
Boys,
Yes.
what about the boys?
Yes.
Yes.
And if the two triangles are, if the triangles is given 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, A, AC 5 centimeter, BC 7 centimeter, AB 6 centimeter. So which one is greater side? Which one is greater side in this triangle
BC.
ABC? Sorry?
BC.
Which line segment is greater side? BC. So we will take
Yes.
BC as our base. BC, with the help of line segment, we will check out the exact 7 centimeter with the help of scale. Then with the help of scale and rounder pencil, we will place B over here first of all and C at this point. Correct? I'm just reminding you, giving the reminder part. So BC 7 centimeter, then from AC we want 5 centimeter and AB we want 6 centimeter. So from point B we will measure 6 centimeter with the help of rounder and we will mark here as an arc at exact 6 centimeter from this point. Then 5 centimeter from this point. So 5 centimeter we will place an arc from this point like this. So this intersecting point, what you are getting, this one, this intersecting point, this point is known as point. Which one we do not have? Point A. Is it clear? Now let us join AB and AC. Understood? Now what does
Yes.
AB belongs to? AB stands for 6 centimeter and AC belongs to 5 centimeter. Our triangle was ready. This also we studied, right? This was the first topic was parallel line. Second topics was when 3 sides are given. 3 sides are given. This was the topic for to prepare to construct a triangle when 3 sides are given. These sides are given 1, 2 and 3. Now the next topic what we have to study is 2 side and 1 angle is given. How to construct that triangle when we have 2 sides and 1 angle. Just a second, okay? 2 sides and 1 angle. Okay. Construct a triangle when 2 sides and 1 angle is given. Chalo. If I say triangle ABC is given here to construct triangle ABC, okay? Okay, boys?
Yes.
Yes.
Triangle ABC we have to construct. In ABC, BC is given 5 centimeter. Chalo. Line segment BC is given 5 centimeter. Then angle B is given. Angle B is given 60 centimeter. Chalo. 60 degree. I'm so sorry. Angle is given 60 degree. And line segment AB is given 3 centimeter. Come on now, how to construct this? Very easy, huh? Very easy. These three things are given here. This is degree. Okay? These three things are given. We have to check out which one is the angle and what are the other two sides. Roughly બનાવી નાખવાનું, roughly triangle. This triangle we have to prepare. So we will prepare a rough triangle in a rough column. એટલે આપણી મિસ્ટેક જાય નહીં કોઈ દિવસ, બરાબર? એટલે આપણે અહીંયા કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ કરીએ ત્યારે આપણે ખબર હોવી જોઈએ કઈ સાઈડ કયો એંગલ લેવાનો છે. According to the sum, angle B is having 60 degree here. So if we take angle B here, this is 60 degree. That is what in the question they are saying.
Yes.
So B and C will be the baseline. B is over here. So C will be here because that is the longest side, 5 centimeter. So this BC will be 5 centimeter. And AB, A will be over here on the top. So AB is 3 centimeter. So this should be our construction of the triangle. 2 sides and 1 angle. Are you getting my point? કે નહીં?
Yes.
Yes.
આપણો રફમાં કન્સ્ટ્રક્શન થઈ ગયું, આવું ટ્રાયંગલ બનવું જોઈએ. That's it. Is that clear? So let us prepare. Now BC we have to take our baseline. In our rough triangle we took BC, we took our baseline, so we will construct BC as our baseline. Okay, done?
Yes.
થોડીક ઉપર લઈ લઈએ આપણે. ચલો. Now this point and this point is between 5 centimeter. The measure is of 5 centimeter. And we will give this name as angle B
B.
and C. Okay, boys? Any doubt with this? Now placing the protector. What is protector? To measure the angle, we have to use protector.
Semicircle.
Semicircle. અહીંયા આવું હશે ને આ વચ્ચે 0 point હશે. વચ્ચે આ point ને આ point mix થવો જોઈએ. Then you have to measure 60 degree from here. 0 degree. અહીંયાથી જે ચાલુ થતી હોય ને, because the baseline is at this end. એવું જરૂરી નથી આમ જ use થાય. If the angle is at C, so અહીંયાથી use કરવાનો હોય તો આ side નું use થાય. Are you getting? આ ભાગ use થાય. But in this we are placing B from here. So from here if we place protector, we have to measure 0 degree to 60 degree. So 60 degree અહીંયા ક્યાંક આવતું હોય. This is exactly 90 degree. See, look here. This line must be 90 degree in the
Yes,
protector.
90 degree.
If you measure from this side, whether you measure from this side, 90 degree will be in between. Barabar?
Yes.
So 60 degree will be here somewhere. So exact, મારું approximate જ હશે, બેટા. તમે protector થી measure કરીને મૂકશો, scale થી draw કરશો, that means your diagrams will be accurate. But
Yeah.
Mohammed sir is going through with approximate things. So it will be approximate criteria. Okay?
Yes.
Are you getting my point? So we will go through and prepare this 60 degree અહીંયા point Q, for example. અહીંયા point Q. So we will prepare the line segment from A and B. I'm sorry, not this one, this color. What I will do, I will prepare a line segment from A and B. Okay? I prepared this line segment. Boys, line segment મોટી લઈ જવાની. આ તો પ્રોટેક્ટરમાં જે 60 degree મળ્યું, that what I took. And this angle I will name as 60 degree because I measure through protector. Understood? Now,
Yes.
what is the third side given here? What is the third side given? We have to go through with AB 3 centimeter. Okay. Now we cannot join this directly. No. We have to measure AB. B is there, A is not there here. So AB 3 centimeter. Again, we have to use a scale An open rounder and pencil from 0 degree to, sorry, from 0 centimeter to 3 centimeter, we have to open the rounder. Okay, why 3 centimeter? Because the line segment what we have to take is 3 centimeter. Are you getting? So we have to point a pointer at point B and we have to draw an arc exactly at 3 centimeter on this line segment AB. Understood? समझ
Yes.
पड़े छे कि नहीं?
Yes.
Are you getting my point? So
Yes.
this is what we got as 3 centimeter. What we got?
3
3
centimeters.
centimeter.
3 centimeter. And this point, this point where we intersected, sorry, why is it not possible? Okay, no problem, let it be. This will be pointed as point A. Understood? Point
Yeah.
A, this
Okay.
point. This point will be point A. Now what we will do? Now we will join the third line. What we will do? Point A and
Join the
point C
third
will be
line.
Join the third
joined.
line.
So this is the triangle what we prepared with the help of two sides and one
One
angle.
angle. Yes.
Anybody has any doubt with this?
No doubt.
We
No.
don't care about the third side. See, let me clear you. Whatever things we got it, we have to follow that. Understood?
Yes.
Are you getting my point? If
sir.
by chance, chalo, instead of what I say that instead of this diagram, if the thing is given angle B ની જગ્યાએ તમને આપેલું હોય કે angle C is 60 degree, chalo. Instead of angle B, angle C is given, and if the thing is given angle instead of AB, it is given AC as 3 centimeter. So nothing to worried about it. The same criteria what we did over here, we have to follow from point C, because angle C has to be constructed at 60 degree instead of angle B. Are you getting? So at this point we will construct 60 degree angle, and AC instead of AB, if AC is given 3 centimeter, from point C we will measure 3 centimeter like this. समझ पड़ा छे boys?
Yes.
So it depends on vice versa. Whatever things it is given, we have to follow that criteria. Understood, boys?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Anybody has any doubt now? Anybody has any doubt?
No. No. No.
Sure? Sure, na?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Yes.
Okay. So how many topics we cleared? We cleared 3 topics. One is constructing parallel lines. Second one was constructing triangle with 3 different sides. Then third topic is construct a triangle with 2 sides and 1 angle. बराबर ना? कि नहीं?
Yes.
Yes.
Now
Yes.
we have to study 2 angles and 1 side. 2 angles and 1 side. This is the triangle what we have to go through. Now if, for example, we take triangle PQR, chalo, we have to construct triangle what? PQR, okay? Triangle PQR we have to prepare, come on. Now, QR is what? 6 centimeter if I say. Then angle Q is 30 degree. And angle R is 100 degree. Now we have to construct this triangle. Okay, boys? समझाई છે કે નથી સમજાતું?
Yes.
Now we have two angles. See, look here, we have two angles. Can you see two angles on one side? So obviously, whatever side we do have it, we will place as our baseline. So from 0 degree to 6 centimeter, we will place our baseline. Am I right or wrong?
Yes.
समझाई છે કે નહીં?
समझाइए.
What about other boys?
समझाई sir. Yes.
Okay. So this is our baseline. Sorry?
QR.
QR starting from 0 centimeter. We will point here up to 6 centimeter and we will give name as QR.
Yeah.
And we will place here 6 centimeter. Okay. Now using this protector. Protector તો ખબર ને કયું આવે?
Yeah. Semicircle.
Using this, yes, semicircle protector and વચ્ચેનો જે D part હોય ને નાનો, we will place at point Q and we will measure angle 30 degree. So from 0 degree, અહીંયા ક્યાંક હશે 0 degree. This side we have to follow, okay? This side. આ side follow કરવાની છે. By placing protector at this point Q, we have to follow this side. So from 0 degree, 30 degree will be here somewhere. समझ पड़ी क्या नहीं?
Yeah.
So from Q, by getting 30 degree, we will point out 30 degree over here somewhere. Okay. But we will draw a line segment crossing above lambi line કરી નાખશું. Okay. કેમ sir lambi line? Okay, not red one, black one. કેમ sir lambi line કરશું? Yes, because that's what we have to go through. આમ ભલે બહાર નીકળી જાય, થોડીક લાંબી લાઈન કરશું. Because in this we cannot draw arc. Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
Arc આપણે draw નથી કરવાનું. In this we have to give the intersecting point only. Understood, boys?
Yes.
So this angle what we got is our 30 degree, which is in the question. समझाणु કે નહીં?
Yes.
Now using the same protector, this part we will place અને આ part ક્યાં મૂકશું આપણે? અને આ part ક્યાં મૂકશું? Point R ઉપર. Then we will measure this side. Why? Because baseline is this way, in this direction. Are you getting? So અહીંયાથી 0 થી ચાલુ કરશું આપણે. 0 to 100 degree. 90 degree will be here on a straight on the top. Then 10 degree more will be over here. So this will be our 100 degree from this side. From this side, left hand side. Are you getting? So 100 degree is here somewhere. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yeah. समझाइए.
100 degree यहाँ છે, but we will take our line segment to more than the point what we got on the extension. Is that clear, boys? Any doubt right here?
No, sir.
समझ पड़ी गई?
Yes.
Yes.
આ પોઈન્ટ છે ને મૂક્યો તો સર, ઈ પોઈન્ટ છે ને મૂક્યો તો, ઈ પોઈન્ટ ખાલી પોઈન્ટ આઉટ કરવાનો કે this is our 100 degree. પ્રોટેક્ટર લઈ લીધા પછી આપણે લાઈન કરશું લાંબી. લાંબી કેટલી? તો કે the point will be up to that level that it should be intersecting lines of line segment from point Q and from point R. The line segment should be intersecting with each other. This intersecting point. હવે આપણે બે પોઈન્ટ છે આપણી પાસે Q and R. આપણે કયો પોઈન્ટ ઘટે છે?
P.
This intersecting point name as P. So our triangle PQR and this angle is of 100 degree. So our triangle with two angle, one side is ready. This criteria is fulfilled, this is fulfilled, and this is fulfilled. And we gave this point intersecting point name as point P. Anybody has any doubt with this?
No.
Sure, Bachcha Party?
Yes.
Yes.
Sufyan,
Yes.
Sahil, Sanraj, Muhammad Ali, Muhammad
Yes, sir.
Fazil, Muhammad Ali Owen.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So how many topics we covered? We covered parallel lines. To construct a parallel lines, then second thing was what we cleared with constructing a triangle with three different sides. Then third one was constructing a triangle with two sides and one angle. And fourth topic what we studied is constructing a triangle with two angles and one side. This one. Anybody has any doubt here?
No.
No. No.
Pakko na bachcha party?
Good.
Yes.
Chalo, now our last topic for this chapter. આના પછી કોઈ topic નથી ને આના સિવાય કોઈ સમય નથી.
તો આ ચેપ્ટર
બરાબર?
easy છે.
Yes, this is what we have to go through and this chapter will be over. Understood? Now constructing a triangle. What kind of a triangle we have to construct? We have to construct the last triangle, that is right angle triangle. Constructing right angle triangle. Which one? Right angle triangle.
રાઈટ એંગલમાં તો ત્રણેય સાઈડ ડિગ્રી માપે પસાર સર.
Right angle triangle. Right angle triangle has to be one side as 90 degree. That is the most important thing. That's it. Now, if I take an example, LMN, we have to measure triangle LMN. Chalo. LMN. Now, what are the things we have to follow? We have to follow that right angle at angle L. Chalo. Angle L ઉપર right angle છે. અહીંયા હું angle કરી નાખીશ પછી. Then what is next? Okay, angle L ને લેવું છે angle M. Sorry, angle M. It is angle M. Then MN is 3 centimeter. Line segment MN is 3 centimeter. Okay. MN is equal to 3 centimeter. And the last is angle N. Sorry, LN. LN is the another side which is given. It should be 5 centimeter. Chalo. આપણે જે constructing two sides one angle કર્યું ને, two sides one angle. આપણે
Yes.
Yes.
two sides one angle કયો second topic કર્યો ને બેટા?
Yes, sir.
બે side આપેલી હોય, one angle આપેલો હોય. This is the same criteria. Only at one side right angle is there at angle M. કે કોઈ પણ એક point ઉપર right angle હોય. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you getting
Yes.
my point, boys? સમજાય છે કે નથી સમજાતો બચ્ચા પાટી?
સમજાય છે.
Yes.
Okay.
સમજાય છે.
Yes, sir.
So
સમજાય છે.
when we are constructing any triangle, we used to take the biggest line segment, right or wrong? as our
Right.
baseline.
LN.
Yes, but we have to check at angle. What is the angle we have to prepare a 90 degree? It's angle M. So we cannot take the longest side. We cannot take the smallest side. We have to check what is the vertex point on what we have to take right angle. Angle M. So line segment MN will be our baseline. समझ पड़ी क्या ना पड़ी?
Yes.
No, sir.
શું નો સર સુફિયાન? કોઈ પણ લાઈન સેગમેન્ટ આપણે બેઝ લાઈન જે બિગ હોય ઈ લેતા હતા સર એમ કહેતા હતા કે જે મોટી લાઈન હોય ઈ લેવાની.
Yes.
બટ ઇન ધીસ 90 ડિગ્રી આપણે ફોર્મ કરવાનું છે તો 90 ડિગ્રી mn માં છે તો mn ની જ લાઈન લેવી પડશે ને. બેઝ લાઈન ln તો નહીં લઈ શકાય.
Yes.
To construct this,
Yes.
તો પછી બેટા so point m will be our 90 degrees, so mn will be our baseline.
Yes.
Can I say this is our baseline mn?
Yes.
चलो समझाणु सुफियान के नहीं? सुफियान?
Yes. Yes, sir.
M N, these 2 points from 0 degree to 3 centimeter, sorry, from 0 centimeter to 3 centimeter. So this distance is of 3 centimeter. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to construct 90 degree. So for this we will start at point M, open rounder and pencil with a random measurement. And I get to open rounder and pencil. Okay, understood? Atlu open for example rounder and pencil. We have to place a point on M and we have to draw an arc in such a way that it cuts both the sides. Well, a line nothing, but after a semicircle jawan. Are you getting? Like this. What we did, we have constructed an arc from here. Understood?
Yes.
With the same measurement, anu measurement have halvu na jove. With the same measurement, we have to place a protector at this point. See, at this point, and with the same measurement, we have to draw an arc here. એટલે ઈ arc અહીંયા ક્યાંક થશે આમ આવી રીતે આટલો. Understood? From this point, we have to draw an arc the another side. It will be like this one. સમજ પડી કે ના પડી?
Yes.
સમજાય છે? Why sir કેમ આવી રીતે? Because this is an arc with the random measurement which is of 180 degree. બરાબર? If we cut out with the same measurement into 3 equal parts, it will be the distance of 60 degree each. આ 60 degree નો cut out થયું હશે, આ આટલું અહીંયાથી આટલું 60 degree નું થયું હશે અને આને 180 degree સુધી અહીંયા સુધી જે કટ થાય ને જે, this will be the distance of 60 degree. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
This is what angle? This is straight angle which covers 180 degree. So આપણી પાસે તો કોઈ measurement નથી. How to recognize? As we have to recognize that if we cut out this will be of 60 degree in between. Understood or not? This measure will be automatic 60 degree. આપણે construct કરીએ છીએ એટલે અત્યારે કોઈ measurement નથી, પછી તમે measure કરશો તો 60 degree જ આવશે. એમાં કાંઈ મોટી વાત નથી. બરાબર? Now what we have to do? Now forget about that measurement. This measurement you have to forget. We have to take the new measurement. Open somewhat bigger measurement. બરાબર? શું કરશું? થોડુંક મોટું measure કરશું. From this point, we will take a new arc on the top like this. Understood? And from this point of another 60 degree, we will place a new arc from here. હવે 60 અને 120 ની વચ્ચે equal કયું આવે? 60 and 120 ની વચમાં equal. The distance is 60 degree, right? તો 60 નું અડધું કેટલું થાય? 30 degree. તો 60 અને 90 ની વચ્ચે 30 degree કયું આવે? Is it 90 degree?
Yes.
સમજાય છે? So this intersecting point, what we will get, that will be our 90 degree. This intersecting point. સમજાય છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Boys, are you getting the constructing point?
Yes.
Yes.
So this line, what we will draw here from year to year, sorry. આપણે આ draw કરી નાખીએ, ચલો. Join this line. This is forming your 90 degree. હજી આને છે ને થોડું construction આમ છે. તમે સ્કેલ ને ઓલા રૂલર થી કરશો એટલે એક્યુરેટ આવશે હો બેટા. હા, સર ને તો થોડું ટ્રેક થશે જ. Understood? This
Yes.
is your 90
Yes.
degree what you formed. This is your 90 degree what you formed. Still, we have not cleared with all the three topics. Let me clear you. We formed right angle. We formed our baseline 3 centimeter. Now we still left with LN. LN as 5 centimeter. So open your rounder and pencil, measure scale from 0 degree to 5 centimeter. Okay. Take point N over here and measure your 5 centimeter. Somewhere it will be around here like this. Our arc house. See, like this. From here, if you open your rounder and pencil with 5 centimeter, there will be somewhere around here. આ આર્ક મળશે. સમજાણું? At this point, we have to place point L. And we have to join our line segment LN. We have to write here, this is of 5 centimeter. समझ पड़ी गई क्या नहीं?
Yes.
So this is LMN. At point M we form 90 degree. Understood? આ 60 degree લખવાની જરૂર નથી આ અંદર, આ તો તમારા અંડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ માટે છે. It is random, so it is always the measure of 60 degree only. હવે તમે પ્રોટેક્ટર થી યુઝ કરીને તમે ચેક કરશો ને તો this will be of 90 degree. This line will be compulsory of 90 degree. બરાબર છે? And you will be having a construction of 3 centimeter, 5 centimeter and 90 degree of a triangle LMN. Is that clear?
Clear.
समझ पड़ी गई? खाली right angle थोड़ू typical છે. Why? Because we are forming the full semicircle. From that, with the same measurement, we are drawing 2 arc in between, which will be of 60 and 120 degree. It is automatic. આમાં કોઈ મેઝરમેન્ટ ની જરૂર નથી, ઓટોમેટિક. અને આ બેની વચમાં જે કન્સ્ટ્રક્ટ થાય અહીંયા, that will be our 90 degree. થોડુંક મોટું કરવાનું એટલે એનો નીચેના ટ્રાયંગલ નો આર્ક આવી શકે. Is that clear, boys? Anybody
Yes.
has any doubt with this topic?
No doubt.
No.
With the help of this construction, we finished our chapter number 10.
Yes.
Exercise left only.
All exercise also you have to do by your own only. I will read and I'll explain you. That's it. But baki babbe tattan sum છે હરેક exercise માં. That all exercise cover all the 5 sums. Is that clear, boys?
Yes.
Clear.
Chalo. Please
Yes.
go through one time, go through all the topics what we covered in the class, revise it, and try to
Yes, sir.
solve exercise 10.1 and try to complete your sums. Okay? હવે આ construction સાથે આપણે steps લખવાના છે. That is what we have to learn. હવે એ કઈ વસ્તુ છે જે આપણે draw કરીએ, whatever we construct, we have to write that. Are you getting? So nothing to worried about it. If we are drawing line segment LM 5 centimeter, so we will write that line segment LM we took 5 centimeter. This is what we have to do. So it's not a big deal. I'll explain you in within 5 to 10 minutes and we will complete our chapter. Okay?
Yes.
By completing our exercise. Do take care of yourself, take care of your health very well and enjoy your next 2 session also. Have a nice time, boys.
Have a nice day. Take care.
Bye
Bye.
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 Bye. Bye, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye.
એ મોઈન છે હે સાહિલ મોઈન છે લેક્ચરમાં
હા લગભગ ઈચ્છે તો ખરી
હા છે અમારે ગેમર લખેલું.
એ મોઈન
ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ટીચર
ગુડ મોર્નિંગ સર.
ગુડ મોર્નિંગ ટીચર
Good morning, sir.
ગુડ મોર્નિંગ સર.
recording is still on. Good morning.
Good morning.